Hi guys, let's now discuss the CADDR function. The definition is it returns the third item in the list. So in our example, we have CADDR of the list 1, 4, and 6. So it should return the third item in the list, which is 6. Another example we have is CADDR of hello there, friend. That's the third item in the list. Another example we have is CADDR of the list of 1, 2, 3, and the list of A, B, and character C, as well as the list of name, John and Mike, and another list of numbers, 7, 8, 9. So it should return the third item in the list, which is John and Mike. One more parenthesis. Yep. So let's translate this again into the definition data of the line from our previous example. So this is our definition data. So it should give us the third element in the list, which is this one here. So CADDR, it's basically interpreted as car of CDR of CDR. Okay, so let's get the CDR of this list. We have this one. Let's get again the CDR of the list, which is this one. Now let's get the car, which is now this one. All right, so you understand now how it is being interpreted with all this command. It's a car of CDR, which is the third item. We know this it's the third item, but it's still better to have a good interpretation of all these combination of list functions. All right, so let's see how it works. CADDR of end get of end last. The third item in the list, which is this one. Okay, nice. So in the next lesson, we are going to further explore the CAAR function. I'll see you there.